Namaskaram. We are going to solve some more questions from binary files. Question: a binary file stock.dat has structure, a tuple, code, name, price. Write a function costly in Python to search and display number of items having price more than 1000 from a pickle file stock.dat. Also display name and price where price of the items are more than 5000. So what do you have to do? Display the number of items having price more than 1000. That is, you have to search and count the records, and also display name and price where price of the items are more than 5000. Answer: first import the module pickle, then define the function costly, def costly. Next step is to open the file stock.dat. F equal to open stock.dat in read and binary mode. Initialize the variable for counting. Count equal to 0. Then try block. Inside try block, while loop, while true. Then read from file. Rec equal to pickle.load. Load function is in pickle module, so you have to give pickle.load, then argument file handle. Next step is checking whether the price is greater than 1000. If rec of 2, price is at index 2, so rec of 2 greater than 1000, what we have to do? Display the number of items. So we have to count it. Count equal to count plus 1. Then we have one more condition to check, that is where price of the items are more than 5000. So if the price is greater than 1000, we can check whether the price is greater than 5000. If it is greater than 5000, we have to display name and price. So print name. Name is at index 1. So give rec of 1. Then print price also. Print price. Price is at index 2. So rec of 2. Then except block. Close the file. At last display the count. Print number of items having price more than 1000. Count. See, here we have two conditions. First one is checking whether the price is greater than 1000. If it is greater than 1000, increment the count. Next one is whether the price is more than 5000. If it is more than 5000, display name and price. Okay, the same question, and if this question is like this, display number of items having price more than 100. Otherwise, display name and price from a pickle file stock.dat. That is, if the price is more than 1000, count and display. Otherwise, just display name and price. What to change? Only this if statement. If rec of 2 greater than 1000, you have to count. Otherwise, that is else, print rec of 1 and print rec of 2. Okay, we will go through some more sample questions. A binary file emp.dat has structure, a tuple eno name designation salary. Write a user defined function add emp to input data for a record and add as many records as user's choice to emp.dat. We will solve this first part now. Okay, see the answer. It is very simple. Import the pickle module, then the function add emp. Open the file in append binary mode. Then a loop variable ch initialized as y. Then loop while ch in capital Y and small y. That is, if the value of ch is uppercase or lowercase y, execute the loop body. Before writing, we have to create a tuple with values eno name designation and salary. Input the values from the user eno name designation and salary. Then create the record. It is a tuple with values eno name designation and salary. Then this record, that is this tuple, we are going to dump into the file emp.dat using the file handle f. Pickle.dump tuple and file handle. Ch equal to input more records yes or no. If the user inputs y, the loop will continue. At last close the file. This loop you can do like this also. Instead of using loop variable, you can do while true. Then here if not in y or y, break. See, the condition for while loop is true here. So this will stop the iteration only if break statement is executed. So you have to give a condition to break from the loop. Okay, we have done this first part. And the second part, we have already done some similar questions. So this you can solve by yourself.